Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I'm going to give you our Halloween house tour. I know that it's super late in the game, it's right before Halloween, but I asked on Instagram and you said you wanted to see it. So I'm going to take you around our house and show you all of our Halloween decorations. I usually do not decorate for Halloween. This is actually my first year decorating. Bobby asked me to, and so I did, but I have to tell you guys, I'm really excited that in 6 days, Christmas is going up at our house. And I can't wait to share Christmas with you guys because I love Christmas. So I'm gonna take you around the tour. If you're new here, I'm Leila, I'm the mom here at the Hebert house. I would love for you to join us and subscribe. I will be doing home videos, cleaning. I have a 6-month-old, I have a 14-year-old, so family life, and a little bit of everything in between. So come and join us on our journey. And now we're gonna get started with our Halloween house tour. So with the fireplace, first I got this spooky banner. Thought that was super cute. I got that at Marshall's. I got these cute little pumpkins up here. Actually, I don't remember where I got them. Hobby Lobby. So I got the Hobby Lobby. These jars I already had. I just filled them with candy corn. I put these boas up here. I got those from the Dollar Tree. Also got these purple lights from the Dollar Tree. And this is another one from Hobby Lobby. Down here, I have some witches stuff. I have this witches hat that I got from the dollar spot at Target. I got these little signs right here. I got those from the Christmas tree shop. I got these little spiders from the Dollar Tree. I got these witches legs that are hanging out of the fireplace from the Dollar Tree. I got this big sign from Hobby Lobby and this little one from the Christmas tree shop. These flowers I got from the Dollar Tree and just kind of put them in a vase, and then another one of these little spiders down here. I loved how the fireplace turned out. It's so cute. Alright, so the couch pillows, I got these off Amazon. It's a 2-set. It's just the covers, and I used inserts from Hobby Lobby. I think they were $11.99. I got this one at the Christmas tree shop, and I got this one at the, I think I got both of them actually at the Christmas tree shop. Love these. I think this one especially is really pretty because it has like beading. And sorry about the light in here, y'all. It's a rainy, nasty day in Georgia, so. But I love this one. Boo, y'all. And then I have the other buffalo checked pillow. All right, so over here on this side of the stairs, I have this little spider up here. I got him from Target. I got this idea kind of from Bits of Brie. I think that's her name. Yeah, Brianna over on YouTube. And so I got that idea from her and I love it. And then over here on top of this, I have, see if I can get out of my own shadow. This is a picture of Bobby at 6 months wearing his Halloween costume. Actually, he's like 4 months. And I love this because I actually put Hob in the same one. So I just have to get that printed out. I have this vase. Oh my gosh, I forgot to take the tag off of this. How embarrassing. But anyway, I got that at Walmart and I just stuck it in a white vase. This is just an Arbonne candle that is in the scent, hold on, let me see if it'll focus, maybe not, ginger spice. So that's ginger spice. I got this cute little boo decoration from Hobby Lobby, and I also got this spider from Hobby Lobby. So that's super cute, turned out really cute. Alright, so the foyer of our house looks like this. I got this little October 31st banner at the Dollar Spot. I got these roses. There's like purple and black ones from the Dollar Tree. I got this filler from the Dollar Tree, and I also got this ribbon. So I have that on both sides of the mirror. Down here on this table, I have one of these Halloween trees from the dollar spot. I have this sign. It says, enter if you dare. I found that at Marshall's. Sorry, the dog's in the background. And then I got this sign. It says, countdown to Halloween. And I got that at Michael's. I have another little floral arrangement on that side. And then I have this sign down here from Michael's, and it says home of the Wicked Witch and her little monsters. That actually belongs on the front porch, but it's raining today, so I don't have it out there. All right, so I made these prints. This is in our foyer too. I made these prints with Bobby about 8 years ago. I have these ghost feet that I made on a canvas, and then I also have his little hands. So this is 2012, so 7 years ago that I made these, and I made those with his little hands. And so I put those up in our foyer. I think they're so cute. Can't wait to make some more with Hobson. All right, guys, I'm sorry. It's super dark in here. I don't have an overhead light in this room. All right, guys, so coming into our dining room, I didn't do much in here. It's our formal dining room, but I did put this like runner down, and I made this little tiered stand here. You can see this I got from Hobby Lobby, Christmas tree shop, and then these I got from Hobby Lobby, just like little fillers. And then over here, that is Hobson's trick-or-treat bag I got from Zigzag Embroidery. She's amazing. She's out of Savannah. She's really good. And then over here, let's see if I can get the lighting done. I have this little boo sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then if you can see it down here, it's kind of dark in here because I don't have an overhead light. I got this sign from Christmas Tree Shop, and then I got this little guy right here from Home Goods. Actually, you know what? I got this from Home Goods too. I did not get it from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so now we are in our playroom slash office slash classroom slash, I don't even know what this room is right now. I'm going to be redoing it after the beginning of the year to turn it into a playroom. But right now it's kind of like my office slash playroom. These frames I got from Target. This is like our Day of the Dead room. I got these frames in Target. And then I have this above my desk. I got that at the Christmas tree shop. And then if you come around, that's to keep birds from coming in here. I have this little reading area over here. I have this trick-or-treat pillow I got from Target. And then up here, I have these like Day of the Dead banners. And these are just Hobson's books. And all of these are Halloween themed books that we can read them. And then those are just like regular books. So I have that over here. And then on our piano, I have this garland from Michael's. I have these little Day of the Dead pumpkins from the Christmas tree shop. I have these little Day of the Dead birds, which I just loved so much. I thought they were so cute. I got those at Target. I also got this little dachshund. I think it's actually supposed to be a goat, but it looks like a dachshund to me. And you know we have Birch, and he's a dachshund, so that's why I got him. And then I just put another one of those little pumpkins over here. Over there, we have a little skeleton on the wall. And then I also have these little Day of the Dead little figurines up here. So that's what our playroom is. It's just kind of like a Day of the Dead theme. So here is my Halloween tiered stand that I made. This is a black wrought iron tier stand I got from Sam's. And I just keep it over here in the corner. This little welcome sign I got from Walmart. These trees right here. Hold on, Birch is walking in the background. These trees, these pumpkins right here are from the Dollar Tree. This one is from the Dollar Tree too. It actually also turns on, but I'm not gonna mess it all up to turn it on. These little spiders are from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were super cute. They're actually on sticks, but I just took them off the sticks. And then down here, I have like a little witch back there from Hobby Lobby. This house was from Hobby Lobby. This one, the little trick-or-treat sign was from Walmart. This little boo pumpkin is from the Target dollar spot. And then this sign is from the Christmas tree shop. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. Alright, so in our dining area, like breakfast area, I kept these. These were just part of my fall decor. The black and white buffalo check, and I just added a little couple Halloween elements like this little black cat from the dollar spot and this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I also added, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because it's so dark. Well, that is a banner that says trick or treat, and it's got like black and white buffalo check. Can y'all see that? There you go. So it says like trick or treat across the window. I got that at Marshall's, I believe. And then our breakfast table, I just have these black and white buffalo check, little salt and pepper shakers, and some Halloween napkins. And then over here, I pretty much just kept it the same. I have this little pumpkin that Bobby picked out for Hobson at the pumpkin patch. But that's the breakfast area. I kind of kept that simple, just because this is where we are the most. And I have one more spot in the kitchen. This is the other little spot in the kitchen that I wanted to show you. This is above our sink, and it just has a sign from HomeGoods that says a witch lives here with her little monsters. I got these little picks from the Dollar Tree and just put them in these little containers. And I got this ribbon from, let's say, Hobby Lobby. I think it was Hobby Lobby. All right, last couple of rooms. This is the first time y'all are actually seeing my new bathroom on camera. But in here, I just put up this Hocus Pocus sign. I got that from Target, I believe. And then up here, I have this trick or treat pumpkin. Where did I get this from? Oh, that's heavy. Okay, that came from HomeGoods. So this trick or treat pumpkin came from HomeGoods. This egg sign came from the Target dollar spot, and actually says boo on the other side. And then I just put more of those black flowers in this. And then over here, I have a sign that says Home Sweet Haunted Home, and then I just have like this Halloween hand towel there. And then the laundry room is the next last little spot I will show you. This is in our new laundry room, and I have this wash, dry, and fold sign from Hobby Lobby with a little spider on it from Walmart. And then I have a little witch's broom I got from Hobby Lobby. This pumpkin right here is from Dollar Tree, and then that little plant is from the dollar spot.
Thank you guys so much for checking out our Halloween house tour. I hope you have a great Halloween with your family. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon here at the Hebert house. God bless.